Uganda, a country located in East Africa, is undergoing a massive transformation through a wave of infrastructure and industrial projects across energy, transport, manufacturing, sports, and urban development, driven by bold government initiatives and strong public-private partnerships. In today's video, therefore, we are going to cover the 20 mega development projects transforming Uganda into an East African powerhouse. Number 20. The Kampala-Malaba SGR Project. The Kampala-Malaba SGR Project is a massive infrastructural project designed to transform Uganda's transport and trade links with Kenya and the wider East African region. Upon completion, the project will link with the Kenyan SGR at the Malaba border, connecting Uganda to the port of Mombasa. The electric-powered SGR is expected to carry both freight and passengers, reducing traveling time between Kampala and Malaba and cutting off cargo cost by more than half. Number 19. The East African Crude Oil Pipeline Project. The East African Crude Oil Pipeline Project is a landmark regional energy infrastructure project that will export crude oil from Uganda's oil field to the international markets through the Tanzanian coast. The pipeline will run from Mbale in Hoima district in western Uganda to the port of Tanga in Tanzania, making it the longest heated crude oil pipeline in the world. Upon completion, the project is expected to transport over 216,000 barrels of oil per day, generating billions of dollars in export revenues and creating thousands of job opportunities. Number 18. Water supply and sanitation projects. Through the country's public health and urban development strategy, the government of Uganda is expanding access to clean water, improving hygiene, and reducing waterborne diseases across both urban and rural areas. With support from partners like the World Bank, the EU, and JICA, Uganda has invested in large-scale water supply and rehabilitation projects in cities like Kampala, Jinja, Soroti, Gulu, Mbale, Arua, Mbarara, and Hoima. Number 17. The Mukono Roads Urban Rehabilitation Project. The Mukono Roads Urban Rehabilitation Project is a large-scale urban infrastructure initiative aimed at improving mobility, safety, and economic growth in Mukono municipality, which is one of Uganda's fastest-growing urban centers. The project is being implemented by the Uganda National Roads Authority and Mukono Municipality Council with government funding and development funding support. The project will upgrade key town roads from gravel to modern paved standards, complete with proper drainage systems, pedestrian walkways, street lighting, and road safety features. Number 16. The Kabalega Gas and Industrial Park Project. Located in the Hoima district, the Kabalega Gas and Industrial Park Project is designed to process and utilize Uganda's natural gas from the Albertine Graben to support power generation, petrochemicals, fertilizer production, LPG bottling, and other heavy industries. The project is closely linked to the Tilenga and Kingfisher oil fields and the East African crude oil pipeline, ensuring reliable gas feedstock for domestic use. Number 15. The Ituka Solar Power Station Project. The Ituka Solar Power Station Project is a renewable energy project in eastern Uganda, located in Ituka village, Namaingo district, near Lake Victoria. With an installed capacity of about 20 megawatts, the project will supply electricity to tens of thousands of homes while reducing reliance on the costly thermal power. Number 14. The Busega Mpigi Expressway Project. The Busega Mpigi Expressway Project is a massive road infrastructure project ongoing in central Uganda, aimed at easing congestion and improving connectivity along the busy Kampala-Masaka corridor, which is one of the country's most important trade and tourism routes. Upon completion, it will significantly reduce travel time between Kampala and western Uganda and support the movement of goods to regional markets. Number 13. Pro Industries Ethanol Plant Project. Located in Busega region and linked to the large-scale sugar production, the Pro Industries Ethanol Plant Project will process molasses and sugar byproducts into fuel-grade ethanol for blending with petrol, industrial use, beverage, and pharmaceutical sectors. The project will further reduce fuel imports, lower carbon emissions, and stabilize the sugar industries through diversified revenue streams. Number 12. The Devki Steel Plant Project. The Devki Steel Plant Project is a major industrial investment by the Devki group of companies aimed at strengthening steel manufacturing and construction supply chains in Uganda. Located in the Jinja Industrial Park, the factory is designed to produce a wide range of steel products using locally sourced scrap metals and imported billets. The project will position Uganda as a key steel manufacturing hub in East Africa and contribute significantly to Uganda's infrastructure and economic growth. Number 11. Isimba Hydropower Project. Built on the Victoria Nile in Kayunga district, about 50 kilometers east of Kampala, the Isimba Hydropower Project is one of Uganda's largest and most important energy infrastructure initiatives. With an installed capacity of 183 megawatts, the project will boost Uganda's electricity supply, supporting industrial growth, urban expansion, and regional power exports. Number 10. The Presidential Skilling Hub Projects. The Presidential Skilling Hub Projects in Uganda are a series of national vocational and technical training initiatives launched by the government of Uganda to equip youth with practical skills, promote employment, and support industrialization. The hubs are strategically located in major cities in Uganda, including Kampala, Gulu, Mbale, Mbarara, and Hoima. They provide training in sectors like construction, engineering, automotive mechanics, ICT, agriculture, and renewable energy. Number 9. The Hoima City Stadium Project. The Hoima City Stadium is a modern sports infrastructure whose development has been completed in Hoima City in western Uganda. The stadium has a seating capacity of about 20,000 seats and includes a FIFA standard football pitch, athletic tracks, VIP section, media facilities, training grounds, and ample parking. The Hoima City Stadium was developed as one of the stadiums that will host the AFCON 2027 matches that will be jointly hosted by the East African countries, Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. Number 8. The Sino Uganda Mbale Industrial Park. Located in Dokosel, Mbale City in eastern Uganda, the Sino Uganda Mbale Industrial Park is a major manufacturing and investment hub developed through a partnership between the government of Uganda and Chinese investors to promote industrialization, job creation, and export growth. The industrial park hosts several industries including textile and garment, steel and aluminum processing, electronics assembly, packaging, plastics, pharmaceutical, and agro-processing. Number 7. Nyagak 3 Hydropower Project. The Nyagak 3 Hydropower Project is a renewable energy development initiative located on the Nyagak River in Zombo District, northwestern Uganda, near the border with the Democratic Republic of the Congo. With an expected capacity of about 6.6 megawatts, the Nyagak 3 will improve power reliability for towns such as Nebi, Arua, and Paidha, supporting small industries, health facilities, schools, and cross-border trade. It is part of a broader Nyagak Hydropower facility that includes Nyagak 1 and Nyagak 2, further strengthening electricity supply in West Nile region. Number 6. The Pura Agrotech Cassava Processing Factory. The Pura Agrotech Cassava Processing Factory is a massive industrial project in Uganda designed to add value to cassava, one of the country's most important food and industrial crops. The factory processes cassava roots into high-quality cassava flour, animal feeds, ethanol byproducts, and industrial starch, hence creating a reliable market for farmers and reduce post-harvest losses. Number 5. The Uganda-South Sudan Power Transmission Network Project. The Uganda-South Sudan Power Transmission Network Project is a strategic cross-border energy infrastructure project designed to export surplus electricity to the neighboring country of South Sudan while strengthening regional power trade and energy security in East Africa. The project is part of the East African Power Pool program and is supported by development partners such as the World Bank and the African Development Bank. It involves the construction of high-voltage transmission lines running from Karuma in northern Uganda through Lira and Gulu to Nimule and Juba in South Sudan. Number 4. The Day Biopharm Industry Project. The Day Biopharm Industry Project is a biotechnology and pharmaceutical manufacturing initiative led by Day Biopharm Limited, a Ugandan biotech company focused on building a world-class drug and vaccine production ecosystem in Uganda in order to reduce dependency on drug imports and improve access to essential medicine across Africa. Located in Wakiso district, the project will produce mRNA vaccines, biologics, insulin, monoclonal antibodies, and generics that meet the US FDA, EU, and WHO standards. Number 3. The Karuma Hydropower Project. The Karuma Hydropower Project is the largest hydropower facility in Uganda and a cornerstone of the country's energy and industrialization strategy. Located on the Victoria Nile in Kriadongo district, the facility has an installed capacity of 600 megawatts, making it one of the biggest hydropower stations in the East African region. Developed by the government of Uganda with support from the Chinese, the project supplies large-scale, reliable electricity to the national grid through high-voltage transmission lines, linking it to major cities and industrial parks. Number 2. The Akii Bua Stadium Project. Named in honor of the Olympic gold medalist John Akii Bua, the Akii Bua Stadium Project is a national sports infrastructure development in Lira City, northern Uganda. With a planned capacity of about 20,000 spectators, the stadium is being constructed to international standards and will include an athletics track, FIFA-certified football pitch, indoor training facility, VIP sections, media facilities, and ample parking space. It is one of the stadiums being prepared to host the AFCON 2027 matches and aims to decentralize top-level sports facility beyond Kampala. Number 1. The Kapeeka Industrial Park Project. Located in Kapeeka Town, Nakaseke District in central Uganda, the Kapeeka Industrial Park Project is a major manufacturing and investment hub developed by the Uganda Investment Authority. The park hosts a wide range of industries, including steel rolling, plastics, food processing, pharmaceuticals, textile, beverages, packing, and logistics. The industrial park has created thousands of direct and indirect jobs, stimulating rural-urban transformation and boosting value addition to Uganda's raw materials. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe as I bring you more information on the African continent, people, and culture.